Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how to get these vertical tabs organized in Google Chrome. So first thing first, you will need to use Google Chrome and you will need to go to this Google Chrome Web Store. Once you are there, you will type in vertical in search bar. So vertical. So in this search bar, when you type in vertical, you will see here vertical tabs inside panel. So this is this logo which we are needed. So you will just simply add to the Chrome. These windows will pop up, add to extension, and right here we have now uh, some guide how to use this extension. So right here, if we go to the extension section here in the right corner, click on this puzzle, and here we will see this one right here. So if I add a new tab here, as you can see, we added uh, a new tab right over here. So if I close this one now, it will disappear. So this is pretty simple how we can have vertical tabs in Google Chrome. So you will probably have some more organized tabs right here. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.